My name is Maulik Patel. I'm a physician by training. I am also the Chief Financial Officer for PAD Specialist. I oversee finances as well as the contracting, credentialing, and operations for the organization. I inherited the role of contracting credentialing for our organization. That's when I started interacting with Zetter HealthCare. My experience with them has been nothing but good at this point. I've worked a lot with David Zetter and a lot of his associates, and it's been a pleasure working with the organization. With Zetter HealthCare, they've been able to get us group contracts with the commercial payers rather than individual contracts, as most physicians end up doing. The group contracts has actually reduced a lot of our time in getting our locations credentialed, as well as our physicians credentialed and contracted. And so working with Zetter HealthCare, it has enabled the organization to shorten our credentialing contracting timeline from 6 months to 3 to 4 months with most payers. One of the benefits that we've experienced with them that we wouldn't have with anybody else is being able to get group contracts for our organization, so that when we decide to expand into other markets, we're able to contract and credential that location and providers very easily and in a timely manner. So I would rate them as a 9 or a 9.5, and that's because we've been able to, as I mentioned before, we've been able to get group contracts in place. We've been able to shorten our time length of getting the contracts or credentials with our providers. One of the things I can say that they've really helped with is, our physicians and our ancillary providers they kind of come and go. We have a lot of additions throughout the last 5 years. We've had a lot of physicians that have come through our door that we've added and removed off of our contracts, and Zetter HealthCare has been very diligent in making sure that they have everything that they need to get these physicians contracted and credentialed with these payers very quickly. So if someone is considering Zetter HealthCare, I'd tell them, don't be hesitant. I think you'll get great service for what you're spending. I think you'll get more than what you bargained for with Zetter HealthCare. They're very diligent, very proactive in their approach, and they're very detailed oriented to make sure that they have everything, that you have everything that they need, and then that they have everything they need to get you contracted with payers, and then get your physicians or providers credentialed with those payers in a timely manner as well.